Good morning, students. I hope that you are happy and safe at home and you have enjoyed your summer vacation. Now let's get back to your study. As we have done 3 chapters, living and non-living things, parts of plants, animals, food and more. We are going to learn that is called birds. What is birds? It's a living thing and it is a kind of animal. So in this video session we are going to learn briefly about birds. Okay? At the end of the session you will be able to learn about birds, body parts of birds, wings and feathers of birds, beaks and its different types. So let's start our chapter. First of all, we should know about birds. What are birds? Birds are nothing, it is a kind of animal that can fly. We have seen in our day-to-day life many birds and we have seen they can fly. So, this sentence I think you are able to understand. Birds are a kind of animal that can fly. Their body divided into 3 categories. The first one is head. The second one is trunk. One is tail. Okay? And their 2 pair of limbs. They have 2 pair of limbs. First one is the legs and the second one is wings. And the leg, they have 2 legs but they have no hands. In birds only legs are there. They have 2 legs and they have no hands. Their wings are covered with the feathers and the mouth is called beak. What it called? The mouth of the animal is called a beak. They don't have teeth at all. They have not teeth. Why bird can fly? This is a question. Bird can fly just because of their light body weight. And it has a streamlined body. And it has wings. These are the 3 reasons so they can fly. Why bird can fly? Because they have a light-weighted body, they have streamlined body and after that they have wings. So that's why they can fly. Next one is body parts of the birds. How many body parts are there in the bird? You can see in the picture, bird have these many body parts like eyes. In the place of mouth, they have beak. In the place of mouth, they have beak. They have a head or it is also called crown. They have wings. Birds have tail and claws. You can see this is called claws. And after that they have belly. Okay, so these are the part of the bird: eyes, beak, belly, claws, tail, wings, head or crown. Head is also called crown. So, what is wing and what is feather? Let's discuss this thing. Wings and feather of birds. Bird have wings of different shapes and sizes and colors. You have seen in your regular life many kind of bird. They have different types of wings. They have different color of wings, different shape and sizes of wings. So wings help the bird to fly. What is the property? What is the work of wing? Wings help the bird to fly. Three kinds of feathers. What are feathers? Actually, wings are covered with the feathers. You can see these are the feathers. Colorful feathers here you can see in the picture. Three kinds of feathers found on the bird's body. Okay. The first one is down feathers. Second one is body feathers, and the third one is flight feathers. There are three kinds of feathers found on the bird's body. Three kinds of feathers are down feathers, body feathers, and flight feathers. Let's discuss feather with the example. The first one is down feathers. So, what are down feathers? Down feathers are soft and short. It lies next to the bird's skin. You can see in this picture how the feather located. You can see it is what lie next to the bird skin. Okay. Now it help to keep bird's body warm. What is the use of this feathers in birds? It helps to keep bird's body warm. Okay, because they are very soft. Next one is body feathers. Body feathers give shape to bird's body. You can see in this picture the bird having the shape just because of the feathers. Okay, so it cover whole of the body. The feather is about whole of the body. You can see here and everywhere on the body parts of the bird you can see feathers. Okay, so body feather give the shape of the bird's body and it cover whole body part. The third one is flight feather. What are flight feathers? Flight feathers are on wings and tail. That kind of feathers are only on the wings and on the tails, that help to fly and to change the direction while flying. What is the uses of that kind of feathers? Flight feathers. What is the uses? Uses of the flight feathers are they can help to fly and change the direction while flying. Okay, I hope that you have understood about feathers and the three types of feathers. Now let's move to the beak. What is beak? Beak is nothing. It is a mouth of the bird. Yes, mouth of the bird is called beak. As we are having mouth, the bird is also having mouth and it is called beak. They use their beak to eat. What is the use of beak? They use their beak to eat. The shape of the beak depends on the type of the food they eat. The shape of the beak, it depends on the type of the food they eat. They also use beaks to build nest. What is the use of their beaks? Actually, with the help of beaks they can eat. With the help of beak they can build their nest, and with the help of beak they can smoothen their feathers. It is also called preening. Okay, students. Now we are going to discuss beaks and its different types. Strong, short and hard beak. Bird like sparrow, pigeon and eastern yellow. You can see bird like sparrow, pigeon eats nuts and seeds. We know that a sparrow eats nuts and seeds. They need a strong beak to crack their food because nuts are very hard and seed also. So they need strong beak. So sparrow and pigeon, kind of these birds, they need strong beaks to eat their food. So they have strong, short and hard beaks. Why? Because they need to break their food, and for breaking the food they need strong beak. So these are the animals, they are having strong, hard and short beaks. Now let's move to the different type of beak and the examples as well. Beaks are strong, sharp and hooked. Examples are vulture, hawks and eagles. Eagles, vulture and hawks eat flashes of other birds and animals. What they eat? They eat flashes of other birds and animals. So their beaks are strong, sharp and hooked. They are called birds of prey. Okay, these are the three examples: vultures, hawks and eagles. These three animals and many other animals also, that kind of animals, they eat flashes of birds or other animal. They need a strong, sharp and hooked beak. Okay. The next category of beaks are strong chisel shaped beak. You can see in the example woodpecker and hoops. This is also the woodpecker. They have strong chisel shaped beak. Why? Because they eat tree trunk, insect. They eat insect, but the insect are on the tree trunk. Okay, so just because of this they need a strong chisel shaped beak. And the example of this kind of beak is woodpecker beak or hoops. These are the two examples of this kind of bird. The next type of beaks are broad and flat. This kind of beaks you can see in the example ducks having goose and crane. These are the three examples. They have broad and flat birds. They have broad and flat beaks. Okay, they eat fish or insect from the muddy water. Okay, and you can see there is one hole in either side of the beak. You can see in all three examples, in the beaks they are having holes. With the help of these holes, muddy water flows out through. Okay, so muddy water will flow out through this hole and they are able to eat the fish and insect from the muddy water. Okay, so these are the example of duck. These are the example of broad and flat beaks bird, and examples are duck, goose and cranes. The last one, the last one is also a kind of beaks, and the type of beaks are long and pointed beaks. So which animal having this kind of beaks? You can see in the example sunbird, hummingbird. These are the two examples. They have this kind of beaks, long and pointed. They eat nectar. What they eat? They nectar from the flowers. Okay, so they have long pointed beaks. They need to pierce their beaks into the flower and suck the nectar. So that's why they need long and pointed beaks. Okay students, now in the next video tutorial we will continue this chapter. I hope that you have understood. I am going to give you one worksheet related to this video tutorial. You need to solve and give the solution of the worksheet in my personal window, WhatsApp window. Okay, till then take care.